Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw your assets from bitcoin.com application on your mobile. First thing that you need to do, which is you will open bitcoin.com, the application, then in the home page you will go for wallets and go for my wallet, and then you will have all your things that you need to have with your wallet. So if you find BTC, I will go for the send asset, and here guys carefully to copy paste the right address of the Bitcoin of the receiver, and you need to paste it here. If you don't have a wallet, you can just get the QR code for the wallet. After that, if you have the funds, you will confirm the address once again. You will type the address, you go for send, and you confirm for the amount and the fees for the transaction. After confirming, you will have bit time to get the transaction process, and you will check with the receiver address if you get the assets or not. That's how to withdraw from bitcoin.com in very easy steps. Please like the channel, like the videos, share with it, and subscribe, and peace.